look up in the sky. Who's way up flying high? Agent Fistronaut will solve a case today. Agent Fistronaut, come along and save the day. Marina and Zeke will help us find the way. With all our friends, you can solve a mystery today. There is a pop that holds our clues. Come along, let's open it. We gotta clap, we gotta stomp. Come along, let's open it.
Good job! It's a woodpecker.
That's a funny name. I wonder why it's called that. Oh, never mind, now I know.
Now it's my turn to try a bird call. Achoo!
Bless you. I think you scared off the birds.
That second honk wasn't me. Huh?
Guys, it sure is quiet today. Even the birds.
Hey, Zeke, have you heard any strange noise? Something is scaring the birds in the park.
Waves on my surfboard!
Zeke, wait!
See you later, guys!
Is it just me or is Zeke acting kind of strange today?
Looks like he's hiding something from us.
You might be right. But first, we have to figure out where the noise is coming from. It's a good thing that I have my trusty noisoscope with us. My invention will know.
We'll get the clues. It's also on the Canadian flag.
The suitcase is empty.
What do you think these clues mean?
Over here.
Now it's coming.
Marina and Fistronaut, good to see you. What are you two doing around here?
Grand, do you think that's the noise we heard?
Need to get my horn fixed. It keeps honking by itself. Well, goodbye.
Okay, bye, Grandfather. The noise is not coming from Grandfather's horn. What we heard was much louder.
Oh, there it is again. I think we've got... Peter is telling me it's a different sound.
Let's keep looking.
Oops, gotta go back to my...
Looking. Hurry back, Fistronaut.
I'll be as quick as an eel.
Ready to go, Agent Fistronaut!
And Happy Plum, I'm on a tricky case. There's a strange honking noise in the park, and all of the clues I have are a suitcase and a maple leaf.
Honking maple leaf suitcase. Try looking for birds of a feather that don't flock together.
Over here, Fistronaut.
Marina, we're close to solving the case. Happy Plum said, look for ask them.
1, 2, 1, 2. Come on, everybody. Gotta keep up the pace.
Hello, I'm Fistronaut, and I am trying to solve a riddle. Can you tell me what flock means?
Well, it's nice to meet you, sport. I'm the head goose of this flock. A flock is a group of animals. We're a flock of geese that travel together to get to our favorite getaway.
That sounds like fun. Where do you come from?
We're from Canada. The winters are too cold for us, so we travel somewhere warm. Now that it's spring, we're going back home. That's why you're seeing so many of us these days. Sound out, team!
Whoa! That honk! That's the noise we heard in the forest.
Good job, son. Full speed ahead, gang!
Marina, I know what the suitcase clue means. It's for the flock of birds who travel back and forth.
And the maple leaf means it's a bird from Canada.
Yes, just like the geese I just talked to. So birds of a feather that don't flock together means there's a bird who left his flock and must be somewhere around here. Galloping Guppies, we figured out the clues! Ha! Ha!
Look.
Oh, it's nothing but Zeke's hat. Oh, cute. He's decorated it with a... Aha! Feather! Hey, Zeke, got a question. Where'd you get this feather?
What feather? This feather? Why would I know anything about a feather?
Zeke, are you hiding someone from us?
Oh, all right. You can come out. The cat's out of the bag.
A Canada goose. We were right. So that's who you were hiding from us.
He stopped by on his way back home and we became pals. So I asked him to stay for good.
I don't think that's a good idea, Zeke. What about his friends and family?
But we're friends now. Andy laughs at all my jokes.
It's good that you made a new friend, Zeke, but wouldn't you miss your family if you couldn't see them?
Yeah, you're right. But I'm gonna miss him too if I never see him again.
You'll see him soon. He flies by here twice a year, in the fall and again in the spring. Isn't that right, Marina?
You got it. It's only goodbye until the next time. And you'll be twice as glad to see him. And do you know what's the best way to say goodbye?
Goodbye, but see you again soon. Did you hear that? He says that back home, the water turns solid in the wintertime. You can walk on the ponds there. Cool.
And he showed my baby a new bird song. That honking sound is not noise at all. It's music.
Who knew we had such an exotic guest in our park? He's a fellow we're all gonna miss.
Did you hear that, buddy? We're all friends here.
Pop, let's open it.
Yes, let's teach our new friend to tap along with us. It's our turn now. Ha! Ha-ha!
Once again, guys.
Ha! Ha-ha! There are whistles for everyone.
Whenever you miss your friend, you can just blow in the whistle, and it'll be just like he's here with you.
Well, time for you to go back to your friends and family. We'll see each other when you fly back next winter.
We did it! Case closed. Good job, everyone.
Friends are fantastic.
Goodbye!
Goodbye! See you next